batalion își prezintă drapelele.
Threat. We stand proudly with our Romanian NATO allies to write a new chapter in our rendezvous with destiny.
Astăzi,
we appreciate the warm welcome of our Romanian allies. Your professionalism and combat readiness is impressive. 1st Airborne Division fought, sacrificed, and died to secure the peace that Europe has enjoyed since 1945. It's important to note that we come to Southern Europe to both defend our allies and to defend the peace that the very first members of the 101st Airborne Division helped establish almost 8 decades ago. Air assault, it will be done.
Screaming Eagles asalt aerian va fi îndeplinit.
Mulțumesc!
To thank you all, men and women in uniform deployed in Romania, for your effort and your contribution to our security. Your presence is very welcome. We are stronger together.